Beijing Automotive Manufacturing Company has expanded its ambitious off-road customer base, including professional off-road enthusiasts as well as those seeking urban style, light exploration, and outdoor activities, by introducing the T01 in the 212 series. This photoshoot focuses on the T01 Reviewer and T01 diesel models, which appeal to a wide range of users seeking retro nostalgia, long-distance autonomous driving, and light off-road driving. The upgraded 212 T01 Reviewer essentially maintains the design of the current model, adopting the classic square box shape and inheriting classic elements such as the clamshell engine cover, split headlights, anti-aircraft lights, and three-stage center grille. It's worth noting that front anti-aircraft lights remain standard equipment, and the vehicle can turn 180 degrees left and 30 degrees right at speeds below 60 km per hour. Positioned as a compact and robust SUV, the new model features dimensions of 4705/1895/1936 mm and a 2860 mm wheelbase. It has a 40-degree approach angle, a 36-degree departure angle, minimum ground clearance of 235 mm, a maximum wading depth of 850 mm, and a maximum towing capacity of 2.5 tons. Its sleek silhouette is complemented by a rear-mounted spare tire and retro-style round taillights. The new car is available in 4 new color options: Dragon Blood Red, Singing Sand Yellow, Moon Rock Gray, and Starlight Silver. In collaboration with global paint giant PPG, the new PWB platform is used, resulting in a paint finish with a fluid liquid metal texture and a more radiant shine. The new car also features 212 customizable light projections that illuminate the way home when unlocked, supporting customizable patterns and colors. The interior maintains a traditional, robust SUV style, retaining many physical buttons. The 212 T01 Review offers interior improvements include over 80% soft leather upholstery on areas like the dashboard and door panels, significantly improving the overall feel. A new black and brown interior color scheme has also been added to the all-black design. The vehicle is equipped with a full LCD instrument cluster and a floating central control display. The instrument cluster can display the vehicle's inclination angle, direction, and more. It also features assisted driving functions that include lane departure warning and forward collision warning. In terms of comfort features, the new vehicle comes standard with a heated steering wheel and ventilated seats. Air is expelled from the seat cushion and drawn through the backrest, allowing the vehicle to quickly cool by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius in a 35 degrees Celsius environment. Even more impressive for a vehicle designed primarily for off-road driving is the 4-way lumbar support, 2 independent airbags, each inflating and deflating independently, with a maximum support force of 36 kilograms, a lumbar support force of 54 kilopascals, a 36 mm travel, and a precise lumbar spine fit, and 6-point airbag seat massage. The material is 2-component sponge, 25 to 35 ILD low-stiffness sponge in the center of the seat cushion/backrest to reduce fatigue, 45 to 60 ILD high-stiffness sponge in the side wings to provide lateral support when the lateral G value exceeds 0.7. The T01 Review officer is equipped with a Dong'an Power 2.0T engine with a maximum torque of 410 Nm. It comes standard with front and rear axle differential locks to easily cope with off-road scenarios such as mud, snow, and cross-axles, providing a more stable escape capability. It is also equipped with manually shiftable part-time all-wheel drive, which can increase torque by 2.5 times in low-speed all-wheel drive and increase traction, making it suitable for extreme terrain or heavy climbing. The diesel version also features the same interior and exterior design. Equipped with a unique power combination of an Orman 2.0T diesel engine, a ZF8 transmission, and a BorgWarner transfer case, the vehicle boasts a rated power of 125 kW/3600 rpm, a maximum torque of 415 Nm/1500-2400 rpm, a comprehensive fuel consumption of 8.5 L/100 km, a comprehensive cruising range of over 900 km, and a standard rear axle differential lock. Bosch high-pressure common rail technology, injection pressure 2000 bar, an efficient thermal management system, comprehensive fuel consumption 8.5 L/100 km, National Vibe emission standards, Weifu Tianli VGT turbocharger, 42% thermal efficiency. All aluminum alloy cylinder head plus cast iron cylinder block, enhanced reliability. Supports an ultra-long oil change interval of 10,000 kilometers. The new vehicle also features a diesel-specific ZF8 at transmission, ratio range 0.64 to 5.00, capable of handling a maximum torque of 500 Nm and featuring a gearshift logic adapted to diesel engine power. It also features an intelligent, electronically controlled part-time all-wheel drive system.